What's up, guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. So today I'm actually gonna be replacing some coil packs. Ignition coils, due to my check engine light being on. I don't know if you can kind of see it. It looks a bit blurry there, but it's on. What I'm actually doing is I'm actually scanning for codes first. So in my case, I already know that it's the ignition coils because I actually just did these spark plugs like not too long ago. I believe maybe 10-20,000 miles ago. Just want to kind of show you guys what code it is reading. So it's detecting a misfire in cylinder 1. There we go. All cylinder 1. Like I said, I already know that it is my ignition coils because they're actually still the OEM ignition coils. And secondly, I already replaced my spark plugs. But just in case you just in case you wanted to diagnose if it is your spark plugs or your ignition coils, because you'll pretty much get the same reading, the same code, which is P0301 or P0302 or P0303 or P0304, depending on what cylinder it is. If you want to actually find if it is the coil packs or the spark plugs, what you could do is just swap out the spark plugs. Let me just actually turn this off and I'll show you guys in a bit what I mean. Alright guys, so these are your ignition coils right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, if you want to find out what's faulty, whether it's your coil pack, your ignition coils, or your spark plugs, what you could do is, for example, this one is misfiring on mine, so I would just simply swap this ignition coil to 1, 2, or 3, and then pretty much run the car, and then it'll read me a different code for cylinder 2, 3, or 4, depending on where I swapped it to, and then cylinder 1 would be okay. So I'm actually going to be doing all 4 ignition coils. You don't have to, but I recommend it just because you have better peace of mind. You know that all 4 are good, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get on with the video. Alright, so pretty much what I'm going to do is I am going to first unplug this to get that out of the way. It's not really on the way. You could actually probably do it, but I just want to get it out of the way anyway. Then you're going to unplug each coil pack. All you're going to do is pretty much just pull the tab and then just pull. Alright, so give me a moment while I do that, and I'll get back to the video. Alright, so pretty much I already disconnected this harness here, this one, this one, this one, and this one over here. So pretty much after disconnecting that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna do this 110mm bolt. Each ignition coil has one, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're just gonna undo that, and yeah, let me just take that off and then I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. Alright guys, so I just undid the bolt. There you go, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, they're right there. So pretty much all you have to do after that is just literally pull them out. One, 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All you gotta do is install your new ones, which I do have right here. And I did buy OEM Toyota ignition coils, all 4. And yeah, give me just a moment while I unpack them and I'll get back to the video. Alright guys, so I just unboxed the new ignition coils. They're right there, all four. Old ones are right over there. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and install them. Literally, it's as easy as just grabbing the ignition coil and just slipping it in there. So, and just like that. And you do the same for all four of them. Sorry if the video is a little unsteady. It's kind of hard to film and do this car thing at the same time. Oh, this one's backwards actually. It goes right there. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You just put your just put your 10mm nut back on there. You know, thread it on there with your hand first. You don't want to strip anything. At least that's my method. That's the way I was taught. That's the way I like to do it. Haven't messed up anything yet. So yeah, pretty much just do this. And then that last one in there. And then just pretty much tighten them up. And yeah, give me just a moment while I tighten them up. All right guys, so they're pretty much just they're on there already. These don't go on really tight. If you do tighten them, you will, or you do tighten them too much, you will crack the ignition coil, and then that's gonna be a problem. So yeah, we just want to make sure that it's, you know, snug fit. You know, nothing too crazy. Okay, that one's on there. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you make sure that it's on there, all you're gonna go ahead and do is just plug everything back in there. Just like that. Same goes for the rest of them. Just plug them on. Sorry, it's a little wobbly, but it is a bit hard to do this at the same time. Okay, everything's snapped into place. And then don't forget your other one right here. Snapped into place. And that's pretty much it. So normally what I like to do, just in case, so obviously you don't want to keep the ignition coil that's bad, but what I do is I keep the ones that were not failing. You never know when you might need them. So I'm just gonna set them to the side right here. Toolbox. And yeah, so that's pretty much it right there. That was replacing your ignition coils on a 2009 Toyota Corolla. This works for the for all models of the 09, 10. Actually, this pretty much works for all models all the way through. It's pretty much the same concept. They're all 4-cylinder, pretty much very similar. So yeah, also, if you want to do your spark plugs, this is pretty much the same way to do it. The only extra step you got to take is just take out the spark plugs and put in the new ones. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks.